Hey everyone,
Hey, old guys!
today we're diving into the topics for your best tech stack in 2025.
What?
Cover front-end, back-end, databases, payments, and authentication. And instead of just listing them, I'll explain why I think each one is great for developers and the cons so you get the full picture.
Okay. Okay.
Stick around to the end and you'll be able to get or revise your tech stack for this year. Let's go. Basically, we're starting with front-end. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got Flutter. Flutter is Google's open source UI toolkit that lets you build fast, beautiful, and natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop, all from a single code base. It uses the Dart language and comes with a rich set of customizable widgets, making it easy to create smooth, responsive, and visually stunning apps that feel truly native across platforms. Flutter allows you to write once and deploy everywhere: iOS, Android, web, even desktop. As I said before, its widget-based architecture makes building complex UIs visually consistent across platforms, and the hot reload feature speeds up development dramatically, and it's just really great for apps where UI and user experience is really critical. The downside about Flutter is the fact that web support is still catching up, bundle sizes can get large, and SEO isn't really great for client-rendered pages. It also has limited access to some platform-specific features. For example, if the front end heavily depends on the newest native UI widgets or system components, developers might need custom platform channels or extra code to kind of bridge that gap. Okay, next up on number 4, we have Svelte. Svelte is a modern JavaScript framework for building fast and reactive web apps. Unlike React or Vue, Svelte compiles your code at build time, turning components into highly efficient vanilla JavaScript. So there's no heavy framework running in the browser, making apps smaller, faster, and smoother. The disadvantage is that it's a smaller ecosystem than React or Vue, and advanced integrations may require custom solutions. Going on to number 3, we have Angular. Angular is a powerful full-fledged JavaScript framework developed by Google for building large-scale dynamic web applications. It comes with everything built in: routing, state management, form handling, and even more, making it great for complex enterprise apps. The con here is that Angular has a steep learning curve, making it slower for small projects or quick prototyping. However, it's still pretty cool because it offers a powerful structure, TypeScript support, and enterprise-level scalability, which makes it great for large, complex apps. Okay, and on second place, we have Vue.js. Vue is developer-friendly and easy to learn. The template syntax and composition API make building interactive UIs intuitive. The con here is that it has less enterprise adoption compared to React or Angular, which might kind of limit your job opportunities. But well, the good thing about it is that it has rapid prototyping, which is simple, but it still scales for large apps. Okay, and on our number 1 is Next.js. Next.js is a powerful React-based framework for building modern production-ready web applications. It offers features like server-side rendering, static site generation, API routes, and seamless file-based routing. And the good thing about it is that all of this is all out of the box. With this strong performance, scalability, and great developer experience, Next.js makes it easier to create blazing fast websites and apps that handle both SEO and user experience like a pro. Okay, now we're going to backend frameworks. On our number 3, we have Spring Boot. Spring Boot is Java's powerhouse. If you're working in enterprise settings where scalability, security, and rock-solid performance are non-negotiable, Spring Boot is a beast. It integrates beautifully with the databases and cloud platforms, making it perfect for mission-critical systems. It's kind of verbose, and the thing is, it's a bit intimidating to beginners, but once you climb that hill, it's kind of smooth sailing along the way. On our number 2, we have Django. Python developers love Django because it's opinionated, batteries included, and secure right out of the box. If you want to build something like an admin panel, CMS, or data-driven app quickly, Django has your back. It can feel heavy for smaller projects, but hey, sometimes heavy is good, right? Like your morning coffee. And lastly, on our number 1, we have Node.js. Node is my go-to. It's fast, lightweight, and the fact that you can run JavaScript everywhere, front-end and back-end, just makes life simpler. With NPM, the ecosystem is massive and it's all amazing for APIs, real-time apps, or microservices. It's not built for CPU-heavy tasks like video encoding, but will stick to IO-heavy workloads and you'll be okay. And now we're going to databases. Okay, so on databases, firstly, we have MongoDB. MongoDB gives you flexibility with schema-less design, perfect for apps where data structures evolve often. It scales horizontally like a champ, and developers love how easy it is to get started. The cons here is that transactions aren't as strong as relational DBs if your app needs data consistency, or think twice. Next up, we have Superbase. Superbase is like Postgres but supercharged. It gives you a managed Postgres database, real-time subscriptions, built-in authentication, storage, and an API layer. And the cool thing about this is that it's all out of the box. Developers love it because it feels like Firebase but open source and kinda SQL powered. Since it's still relatively new, some advanced features can feel kinda experimental, but the pace of update is really wild, so I recommend you stick with it. Next up, that's payments. On our payments, we have PayPal. PayPal is old but kinda gold. Everybody knows PayPal, and some people trust it more than their own banks. Integration is easy and is supported in almost every corner of the internet. User experience can feel kinda outdated compared to Stripe, and fees aren't any friendlier. Next up, we have Stripe. Stripe is the king of developer-friendly APIs. It's great for handling subscriptions, one-time payments, and even international transactions. The thing is, the fees can add up fast, but the smooth developer experience usually makes up for it. Okay, and lastly, onto authentication. So for authentication, first up is Auth0. Auth0 takes care of the hard stuff. Secure login, social sign-ins, multi-factor authentication. It saves you from reinventing the wheel and lets you focus on your app. Pricing can get expensive as you scale, but if security is critical, it's worth every cent. Okay, so there you have it. The top 5 picks for front-end back-end database payments and authentication in 2025, with pros and cons for developers. For me personally, I'm rolling with Next.js on front-end, Node.js for back-end, Superbase for database, and Auth0 for security. And obviously, Stripe for payments. What's your tech stack looking like this year? Drop it in the comments, and if you're into React, Next.js, or web dev in general, join our Discord server. It's totally worth it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.